Alright guys, so what I've done, I've basically added the DPG that goes up to 600 ml, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do is ethyl vanillin, and it's roughly 20 gram. It's 1 kg 1 liter quantity I'm looking at. So roughly $15 to $20 gram is more than enough, but I'll go less in that, yeah. So the first thing I started with is ethyl vanillin. Along with it, because it's a sweeter, so I need to use another powder, which I'll show you later. I'm sorry, this is ethyl maltol, not ethyl vanillin. So it's the same quantity going in. Ethyl vanillin will give spicy kind of smell to it, but very mild, not too much. Okay, now we have the ethyl vanillin. The first one we put is ethyl maltol, which is sugary and it makes it sweeter. So for ethyl vanillin is it's powdery and it's fine powder. It makes well, you know, it doesn't take much longer. But ethyl maltol is a sugary kind of granules, you know, so it takes a bit time. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do in terms of powders, I'm going to use a very small quantity of coumarin. Coumarin has a smell of almonds, bitter almonds, so not too much, but just a hint. So I'm using very cautiously, so I don't want to ruin that, you know, because it's very important that I get it right, because a lot of expensive materials will go in there. Okay, so we have added 3 powders. First one is ethyl maltol, roughly 20 gram, and then ethyl vanillin. Sorry, ethyl maltol is 15 gram, and then ethyl vanillin 20 gram. Coumarin 1 gram to 5 gram max, but within 1 gram is safe because it will become very bittery otherwise. The maltol needs to create the sweet effect. Vanillin, on the other hand, will combine a smell of warm, spicy. So let these mix together, and then we go to the next stage.